Using an EBT card on Uber Eats is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Keep an eye on Uber Eats updates or their official website for announcements about the launch of EBT Snap acceptance. Once it's available, you'll be able to add your EBT card information and use it to pay for groceries from participating stores within the app. Some other grocery delivery platforms like Instacart and Amazon Fresh already accept EBT Snap payments for eligible items. You can explore these items in the meantime to fulfill your grocery needs. While not as convenient as delivery, you can always use your EBT card at traditional grocery stores for eligible food items. Keep yourself updated on the progress of EBT integration with Uber Eats through their official channels or reliable news sources. This way, you'll be notified as soon as the feature becomes available and start using it to its full potential.